AZO Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this very brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Look, I'm the only person in this space with 40,000 videos made, and I'm telling you this because it is the truth and I have all the proof backing my claims up. I mean, Autozone stock, it's an already beautiful bullish market, and with this in mind, I'm just looking to double down, man. Like, it's nice, decent. My previous prediction was on point as well. Right, this was 7th of March. This was nice, very nice, actually, yeah.
Then obviously I'm not gonna buy. I would do anything.
It did even correct down, so that was very good. And from here on, I mean, I don't know about you, man, but I'm just looking to double down like a madman. Meaning that only waiting for that shift. Now it is correcting down, which is fine. But the only thing that I care about is if there's some sort of a double right here. So that's exactly how AZO is going to look like. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5, 10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free email.